Hey YouTube, this is a video on how to help you get out your flasher module for your turn signal lights. This is a 2009 Toyota Matrix, and your flasher relay will be, there's a steering wheel down here at your left knee behind this cover here with the little door. It comes all the way off with just pull clips right there. Try not to break them. Like that right there, but that wasn't me, that was the previous owner. So just pull that off. It's got little push clips on it, and the whole thing will come off. And your relay will be this bottom right one right here. And if you're taking it out, you've got to reach down here and push on this little clip right here. You got to push up on it to release that little lock right here. So don't break it by jerking it out. And also, if you get one of these variable flashers like this one, where you can adjust the turn signal rate, you will have to remove these little clips here that go on the side. You'll have to just break them off. Don't worry, that other tab will hold it in place. So snap them off. If not, it won't seat fully, because here's the original, and the tabs are a bit longer than the original, so it'll hold it off from pinning in all the way. And it's a bit fiddly, but it'll usually be this way around. Just look at the connector, and you'll see right there's where the notch is. Right there is where that will click in. Give me a minute, because I'm trying to one-hand this thing. Not easy. Oh, no. Hold on. Yeah, it's rather difficult to get in, especially one-handed. That just pops in right there, and I'll give you the sound. So if you want to get the flashing rate right on it, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, and that'll be just about all the way counterclockwise. So hope that helps you out. Later.